Hello students, welcome all of you. In this video, I Abhay Kumar going to discuss behavior of gases, gas laws of chapter 13 kinetic theory for class 11 physics, book 2 in part 1 of this chapter. Videos of this chapter will also be helpful for 11th chemistry students in unit 5 states of matter. First of all, we have to discuss ideal gas and ideal gas equation. The gas which obeys the relation PV is equal to mu RT, that is ideal gas equation or equation of a state for all temperatures and pressures, is called an ideal gas. जो गैस सभी टेम्परेचर्स तथा प्रेशर्स पर पी वी इजकल टू म्यू आर टी, दैट इज आइडियल गैस इक्वेशन को ओबे करता है, उसे आइडियल गैस कहा जाता है. इन एन आइडियल गैस, इंटरमोलिकुलर अट्रैक्शन फोर्सेस बिटवीन डिफरेंट मोलिक्यूल्स ऑफ द गैस इज जीरो. आइडियल गैस के डिफरेंट मॉलिक्यूल्स के बीच में अट्रैक्शन फोर्स भी जीरो होता है. दैट इज देयर इज नो इंटरेक्शन बिटवीन डिफरेंट मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ एन आइडियल गैस. ऑल्सो आइडियल गैसेस ओबे बॉयल्स लॉ एंड चार्ल्स लॉ. आइडियल गैसेस बॉयल्स लॉ एंड चार्ल्स लॉ को भी ओबे करते हैं. नाउ बट रियल गैसेस बिहेव एज आइडियल गैसेस ओनली एट वेरी हाई टेम्परेचर but low pressure, which is represented in PV upon mu T, which is equal to R, and versus pressure graph. PV upon mu T is taken along y-axis, while pressure P is taken along x-axis. For an ideal gas, the plot of PV upon mu T versus P is a straight line AB parallel to the x-axis, which is pressure axis. Along x-axis, pressure is represented in this graph, which is represented in figure 1. And from this graph, it is clear that ideal gas obeys ideal gas equation PV is equal to mu RT for mu moles of the gas at all pressures and all temperatures, because it is a straight line. That is plot of PV upon mu T versus P is a straight line for an ideal gas. So it obeys, that is ideal gases obey ideal gas equation PV is equal to mu RT for all temperatures and pressures. But real gases obey ideal gas behavior only at high temperature and low pressure, which is clear from this plot. Here there are three curves for a real gas at three different temperatures, T1, T2 and T3. But in which T1 is largest, temperature T1 is the highest temperature. T1 is greater than T2 and T2 is greater than 3. So T3 is the largest or highest temperature, while T3 Kelvin is the smallest temperature. So for a smallest temperature, that is T3 Kelvin, the behavior of the real gas is far apart from the ideal gas nature, which is a straight line. But at the highest temperature T1, the curve for a real gas is very close to the ideal gas. Hence, it is clear that at very high temperature but low pressure, a real gas behaves as an ideal gas. इस ग्राफ से यह क्लियर हो गया पीवी अपॉन म्यू टी एंड प्रेशर ग्राफ से एंड प्रेशर के बीच ग्राफ से कि बहुत हाई टेम्परेचर पर एंड स्मॉल प्रेशर पर रियल गैस भी आइडियल गैस जैसा बिहेव करता है और उस सिचुएशन में रियल गैस भी आइडियल गैस इक्वेशन पीवी इक्वल टू म्यू आर टी को फॉलो करेगा। पीवी इक्वल टू म्यू आर टी को आइडियल गैस इक्वेशन और परफेक्ट गैस इक्वेशन और इक्वेशन ऑफ स्टेट भी कहा जाता है। पीवी इक्वल टू म्यू आर टी इज कॉल्ड आइडियल गैस इक्वेशन और इक्वेशन ऑफ स्टेट और परफेक्ट गैस इक्वेशन, where mu is the number of moles present in the ideal gas, which can be represented as mu is equal to capital N upon Na, that is number of molecules present in the gas upon Avogadro number. Na is the Avogadro symbol of Avogadro number. The value of Avogadro number Na is 6.023 into 10 to power 23 molecules or atoms. And mu can also be represented as M, capital M, that is amount of the gas or mass of the gas upon M naught, that is molecular mass of the gas. So it is a number of moles mu is equal to N upon Na is equal to M upon capital M upon M0. Equation of a state representing a real gas is given by Van der Waal, that is modification in ideal gas equation PV is equal to mu RT, and Van der Waal equation of a state for a real gas is given by P plus A upon small a upon V square under bracket V minus V is equal to mu RT, and this is known as Van der Waals equation of a state for a real gas, where a small a and a small a and a small b are known as Van der Waals constant. But at very high temperature and low pressure, as we have seen in PV upon mu T versus P pressure plot or graph, that at very high temperature but low pressure, a real gas also behaves as an ideal gas, and in that case a real gas will also obey ideal gas equation PV is equal to mu RT. Otherwise, a real gas obeys Van der Waal equations P plus A by V square into V minus V is equal to mu RT. Now we can express PV is equal to mu RT, which is known as ideal gas equation or equation of a state or perfect gas equation, which is the relation between four variables: pressure P, volume V, number of moles mu, and temperature T. So this equation, that is PV is equal to mu RT, ideal gas equation, can be expressed in other forms also. So one form is PV equals to, in place of mu we can write N upon Na, that is number of molecules present in the gas upon Avogadro number, multiplied by capital R. In place of R we can write Kb into T, that is Kb is Boltzmann constant and T is the absolute temperature, because Boltzmann constant Kb can be represented as capital R upon Na, capital R upon Na. Therefore, R is equal to gas constant R is equal to Kb multiplied by Na. तो इक्वेशन 1 में R की जगह रिप्लेस किया जा सकता है Kb इंटू टी, Kb इंटू Na, Kb इंटू Na, और T भी प्रेजेंट है इक्वेशन में, लास्ट टर्म है T इंटू टी. सो इन प्लेस ऑफ R वी हैव replaced Kb into Na multiplied by T. Now Na in the denominator and numerator of RHS will cancel out. So we have PV equals to N capital N Kb into T. And this is another form of ideal gas equation. PV is equal to capital N Kb into T. And from this relation we can obtain PV upon Nt is equal to Kb, which is a constant, which is called Boltzmann's constant. Boltzmann's constant, value of Boltzmann constant is 1.38 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 23 joule per Kelvin. Boltzmann constant का value Kb equals to 1.38 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 23 joule per Kelvin. So from equation 2 we can write PV upon Nt equals to Kb, that is constant, and so we can write P1 V1 upon N1 into T1 is equal to P2 V2 upon N2 into T2, and it is equal to Kb. It is equal to Kb, which is equal to Boltzmann constant, where P1 V1 and T1 are initial pressure, initial volume and initial temperature of the ideal gas, while P2 V2 and T2 are the final pressure, final volume and final temperature of the gas respectively. Now one more form from this equation we can write, from equation 2 we can write one more form of ideal gas equation as P equals to, we can write equation 2 PV is equal to N kBT as P equals to N upon V multiplied by Kb into T, and N upon V is number of molecules per unit volume present in the gas, which is number density of molecules. So it can be denoted by the symbol of small n, number density of molecules present in the gas, number of molecules per unit present per unit volume. N by V के जगह small n रिप्लेस किया जा सकता है, तो small n Kb into T, and this is third form of ideal gas equation. Only we can write P is equal to N Kb into T. After dividing RHS, after dividing both sides by V, we can obtain this P is equal to N by V into Kb into T, which is a small n Kb into T. And one more form of ideal equation of ideal gas equation or equation of a state is from equation 1 we have, from 1 we can write PV equals to mu. In place of mu we can write capital M upon M naught, that is mass upon molecular mass, mass of the gas or amount of the gas by molecular mass of the gas multiplied by capital R multiplied by capital T. Or we can write, dividing both sides by V, we have P equals to, in LHS it is P is equal to M by V, capital M by V, that is mass per unit volume of the gas, which is density of the gas, multiplied by RT upon capital R is the gas constant. Value of gas constant capital R is equal to 8.31 joule per mole inverse Kelvin inverse. So it is now we have P is equal to m by v multiplied by RT upon m0. m0 is the molecular mass of the gas, molecular mass or molar mass, and finally we obtain m by v, that is mass per unit volume of the gas, which is density of the gas. So it is rho, m by v is rho capital R capital T upon m0. m0 is the molecular mass of the gas, and this is fourth equation, that is fourth form of ideal gas equation. Fourth form of ideal gas equation is P is equal to rho is the density of gas. In place of m by v we have written here rho RT upon m0. Now we have to discuss different gas laws. First of all, Boyle's law, which is at constant temperature the volume of a given amount of a gas, that is given mass of a gas, is inversely proportional to pressure, that is V, capital V is the volume of the gas at constant temperature T, and it is inversely proportional to pressure, that is V varies as 1 by P. But at constant temperature and number of moles present in the gas can also be taken as constant. So at constant temperature T, V varies as 1 by P, or we can write V equals to K upon P, where K is a constant of proportionality. Constant of proportionality K का यूज कर हम V को V इक्वल टू K बाई P लिख सकते हैं, और therefore we have PV equals to K. Product of pressure and volume remains constant K, and this is the mathematical form of Boyle's law. Suppose it is equation 1. Now if pressure and volume of an ideal gas changes from its initial values P1 and V1 to final values P2 and V2 respectively, but at constant temperature, यदि किसी आइडियल गैस का प्रेशर एंड वॉल्यूम P1 एंड V1 से चेंज होकर कांस्टेंट टेम्परेचर पर प्रेशर P2 हो जाए एंड वॉल्यूम V2 हो जाए, V1 से V2 हो जाए, तो उस इक्वेशन में इक्वेशन 1 को डेट इज PV इक्वल टू कांस्टेंट, जो कि बॉयल्स लॉ का मैथमेटिकल फॉर्म है, उसे एक्सप्रेस किया जा सकता है P1 V1 इक्वल्स टू P2 V2. सपोज इट इज इक्वेशन नंबर 2. नाउ प्रेशर वॉल्यूम ग्राफ फॉर बॉयल्स लॉ is represented by dotted curve for two temperatures T1 and T2. We can take more than two temperatures, say T1, T2 and T3. Then three dotted curves which represent Boyle's law will be obtained. But in this case, at two temperatures T1 and T2, dotted curve represents Boyle's law at temperature T1 and at temperature T2, while solid curves represents the experimental curves for two temperatures T1 and T2 for a steam. And from this PV graph, it is clear that Boyle's law, which is represented by dotted curve, is in agreement with the experimental curves only at low pressure and high temperature. लो प्रेशर पर एंड हाई टेम्परेचर पर एक्सपेरिमेंटल कर्व्स, जिसे सॉलिड कर्व से रिप्रेजेंट किया गया है एंड डॉटेड कर्व से रिप्रेजेंट किया गया है बॉयल्स लॉ को, तो दोनों एग्रीमेंट में हैं केवल लो प्रेशर पर, जब प्रेशर का वैल्यू कम है एंड टेम्परेचर का वैल्यू ज़्यादा है. यहाँ टेम्परेचर T1 इज ग्रेटर दैन टेम्परेचर T2. Second gas law is Charles law, which is at constant pressure, volume of a certain amount of an ideal gas is directly proportional to absolute temperature. That is, V varies as capital T at constant pressure P. That is, we can write Charles law, that is V varies as T, volume of a certain amount of a gas, that is certain mass of a gas at constant pressure is directly proportional to temperature, absolute temperature. कांस्टेंट प्रेशर पर किसी गैस के सर्टेन अमाउंट का या सर्टेन मास का वॉल्यूम उस गैस के एब्सोल्यूट टेम्परेचर के डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल होता है. इट इज नोन एज चार्ल्स लॉ. सो वी कैन राइट V इक्वल्स टू K इंटू टी, वेयर K इज ए कांस्टेंट ऑफ प्रोपोर्शनलिटी. कांस्टेंट ऑफ प्रोपोर्शनलिटी K का यूज कर हम V को इक्वेट कर सकते हैं, V को लिख सकते हैं V इक्वल्स टू वॉल्यूम ऑफ द गैस इज इक्वल टू K इंटू टी. एंड फ्रॉम दिस रिलेशन वी कैन ऑब्टेन V अपॉन T, दैट इज रेशियो ऑफ वॉल्यूम एंड टेम्परेचर ऑफ द गैस एट कॉन्स्टेंट प्रेशर रिमेन्स कॉन्स्टेंट. V अपॉन T इज इक्वल टू कॉन्स्टेंट, एंड देयरफॉर V1 upon T1 we can write V1 upon T1 is equal to V2 upon T2. If volume and temperature of a gas changes from its initial values V1 T1 to another values V2 and T2 respectively, then we can write V1 by T1 is equal to V2 by T2, since ratio of volume upon temperature is constant. चूँकि गैस के वॉल्यूम एंड टेम्परेचर का रेशियो कांस्टेंट है, इसलिए यदि किसी गैस का इनिशियल वॉल्यूम V1 से चेंज होकर V2 हो जाए एंड इनिशियल टेम्परेचर T1 से होकर T2 हो जाए, तो उस सिचुएशन में इसे लिखा जा सकता है V1, मतलब चार्ल्स लॉ को एक्सप्रेस किया जा सकता है V1 बाई T1 इज इक्वल टू V2 बाई T2. एंड सपोज इट इज इक्वेशन नंबर 1 for Charles law. Now Charles observed that for 1 degree C, 1 degree centigrade rise or fall in temperature, the volume of a gas is increased or decreased by a factor 1 upon 273.15 to the original volume or volume of the gas at 0 degree C, and in that case we can write Vt, that is volume of a gas at temperature T degree C, is equal to V0. V0 is the volume of the gas at temperature 0 degree C plus V0 multiplied by T upon 273.15. जैसा कि चार्ल्स ने ऑब्जर्व किया कि ईच 1 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड 1 डिग्री सी टेम्परेचर गैस का अगर राइज करता है या डिक्रीज करता है, तो टेम्परेचर राइज होने पर गैस का वॉल्यूम बढ़ेगा, और जब टेम्परेचर फॉल करेगा, टेम्परेचर में कमी होगी, तो गैस का वॉल्यूम भी घटेगा. सिंस V वेरीज एज T, वॉल्यूम ऑफ ए सर्टेन अमाउंट ऑफ ए गैस इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू टेम्परेचर एट कॉन्स्टेंट प्रेशर अकॉर्डिंग टू चार्ल्स लॉ. तो यदि किसी गैस का टेम्परेचर 1 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड से अगर राइज करना है, तो उस गैस का वॉल्यूम और 0 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड पर गैस का वॉल्यूम V0 का 1 अपॉन 273.1 डिग्री 1 अपॉन 273.15 से इंक्रीज कर जाएगा. तो ओरिजिनल वॉल्यूम, दैट इज वॉल्यूम ऑफ द गैस एट 0 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड इज V0, प्लस उसमें ऐड करना होगा. But for temperature T, we can write it as Vt is equal to V0 plus V0, that is volume of the gas at 0 degree centigrade times T upon 273.15. So now finally we can write Vt equals to V0. V0 को कॉमन किया जा सकता है, बोथ टर्म्स में प्रेजेंट है. So V0 is taken out of the bracket V naught, Vt is equal to V naught 1 plus under bracket 1 plus T upon 273.15, and from this relation, suppose it is equation number 2 in Charles law, in the case of Charles law. So from this relation we can obtain the volume of a gas for any increase in temperature, for any temperature. Suppose for temperature 50 degrees C, we can write here V50 is equal to V0, that is volume of the gas at 0 degrees C, under bracket 1 plus T is 50, so T के जगह 50 लिखना, T is replaced by 50 upon 273.15. Now volume temperature plot or temperature volume plot, temperature volume graph is represented for Charles law is represented in figure number 3, which is the experimental temperature volume curves, which are represented by solid curves for carbon dioxide, that is a real gas, at 3 pressures P1, P2 and P3, in which P1 is greater than P2 is greater than P3. तो प्रेशर P1 सबसे लार्जेस्ट प्रेशर है एंड P3 सबसे स्मॉलेस्ट प्रेशर है आउट ऑफ 3 प्रेशर्स. And these experimental TV curves are compared with Charles law, which are represented by dotted straight lines. So actual Charles law, which is V varies as T, that is volume of a certain amount of a gas is directly proportional to temperature, should be a straight line. So these straight lines, that is Charles law for 3 different pressures P1, P2 and P3 are represented by dotted straight lines. That is, there is linearity between volume and temperature, V varies as T. But experimental temperature volume curves are not perfectly a straight line. Only at high temperatures, these experimental curves for carbon dioxide at 3 pressures P1, P2 and P3 are in agreement with Charles law, that is dotted straight lines, only at high temperatures. But at low temperatures, experimental TV curves are not perfectly a straight line. They are curves at small temperatures. So Charles law is only in agreement with the experimental TV curves for CO2, that is for a real gas only at high temperature. That is, real gases are only in agreement with Charles law at high temperatures. Third gas law is Gay-Lussac's law, which states that at constant volume, pressure of a fixed amount of a gas is directly proportional to its absolute temperature. कांस्टेंट वॉल्यूम पर किसी गैस के गिवन अमाउंट का, गिवन मास का प्रेशर उस गैस के एब्सोल्यूट टेम्परेचर के डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल होता है. दैट इज वी कैन राइट Gay-Lussac's law एज P varies as P is the pressure of the gas, P varies as capital T at constant volume V, or we can write P is equal to K into T, where K is a constant of proportionality. तो कांस्टेंट ऑफ प्रोपोर्शनलिटी का यूज कर हम P को इक्वेट कर सकते हैं, P को प्रेशर को टेम्परेचर से इक्वेट कर सकते हैं एज P इज इक्वल टू KT. देयरफॉर P अपॉन T, रेशियो ऑफ प्रेशर एंड टेम्परेचर, रिमेन्स कांस्टेंट, और वी कैन राइट P1 by T1 is equal to P2 upon T2. If pressure of a gas changes from P1 to P2 and its temperature changes from T1 and T2, then since ratio of pressure and temperature is constant K, therefore we can write Gay-Lussac's law as P1 by T1 is equal to P2 by T2. Temperature pressure diagram or pressure temperature diagram of Gay-Lussac's law is similar to Charles' law, that is a straight lines at different constant volumes. Each line is called isochore, that is at isochore means at constant volume. Now fourth law is Avogadro's law, which states that equal volume of all gases at constant temperature and pressure having equal number of moles, that is V varies as mu. V is the equal volume of all gases. तो अगर टेम्परेचर एंड प्रेशर कांस्टेंट है तो डिफरेंट गैसेस का इक्वल वॉल्यूम होना चाहिए. तो डिफरेंट गैसेस के इक्वल वॉल्यूम में प्रेजेंट नंबर ऑफ मोल्स भी इक्वल होता है, दैट इज V वेरीज एज म्यू. और V इक्वल्स टू K इंटू म्यू, वेयर K इज ए कांस्टेंट ऑफ प्रोपोर्शनलिटी. Now, number 5 gas law is Dalton's law of partial pressure. Dalton's law of partial pressure, which states that in case of non-interacting gases, total pressure of the gas is equal to the sum of partial pressures of individual gases present in the mixture. P equals to P1 plus P2 plus P3 plus dot dot so on, where P1 is the partial pressure of gas number 1, P2 is the partial pressure of gas number 2 present in the mixture, P3 is the partial pressure of gas number 3 present in the mixture of gases. That is pressure exerted or pressure applied by each gas in a mixture of gases is called partial pressure. किसी गैस मिक्सचर में ईच गैस के द्वारा जितना प्रेशर एग्जर्ट होता है उसे पार्शियल प्रेशर कहा जाता है. So P is equal to total pressure, P is equal to P1 plus P2 plus P3 plus so on, and it is called Dalton's law of partial pressure, where P1 is equal to mu1 RT. टेम्परेचर कांस्टेंट होना चाहिए, तो उस सिचुएशन में P1 is equal to mu1 into RT, P2 is equal to mu2 into RT since टेम्परेचर कांस्टेंट है, P3 is equal to mu3 into R3, and similarly P4 is equal to mu4 into RT using ideal gas equation. mu1 is the number of moles. mu1 is the number of moles of the first gas number 1 present in the mixture. mu2 is the number of moles of the second gas in the mixture. mu3 is the number of moles of the third gas present in the mixture. So total pressure of the mixture of gases, that is total pressure P is equal to sum of the partial pressure of individual gases, that is capital P is equal to P1 plus P2 plus P3 plus so on, where temperature remains at constant temperature T. R is gas constant, which is also constant, and P1, P2, P3 are the partial pressures. Partial pressures of individual gases are different, but temperature of the system, temperature of the gas remains the same, and it is called Dalton's law of partial pressure. We can obtain ideal gas equation, that is PV is equal to mu RT, which is the relation between four variables: pressure P, volume V, temperature T, and number of moles mu, with the help of Boyle's law, Charles law, and Avogadro's law. So we can derive derivation of the ideal gas equation or equation of a state or perfect gas equation. PV is equal to mu RT. So Boyle's law gives, Boyle's law is V varies as 1 by P at constant temperature T, and constant number of moles also, and constant temperature T and number of moles mu. Charles law is V directly varies as T, that is V directly proportional to T, volume of a definite amount of a gas is, or a given amount of a gas is directly proportional to absolute temperature T at constant pressure and number of moles of the gas. So at constant pressure and mu, number of moles, and Avogadro's law is V varies as, that is volume of, V is the volume of equal volume of, V is the equal volume of all gases. So V is volume of a gas, and if all gases having of equal volume, then V varies as number of moles present in the gases. So V varies as mu at constant temperature T and pressure P. Combining all, that is combining three, that is Boyle's law, Charles law, and Avogadro's law, we have V varies as mu T upon P, or V equals to R multiplied by mu T upon P. Therefore PV equals to mu RT. Thus we have derived ideal gas equation or equation of a state or perfect gas equation. PV is equal to mu RT, where mu is the number of moles present in an ideal gas. R is gas constant, capital R is gas constant, which is equal to, value of capital R is 8.31 joule per mole per Kelvin, and T is the absolute temperature, P is the pressure of the gas, and V is the volume of the gas. Thus we have obtained ideal gas equations using Boyle's law, Charles law, and Avogadro's law. Now this video is completed. Thanks all of you for watching my YouTube channel. यदि यह वीडियो आप सभी को पसंद आया हो तो इस वीडियो को अधिक से अधिक लाइक करें, तथा मेरे YouTube चैनल फिजिक्स क्वांटम क्लासेस को भी अधिक से अधिक नंबर्स में सब्सक्राइब करें।